Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about my experience with the candikill product, or a candida cleanse. Now this one has berberine, capric acid, olive, grapefruit, garlic, pumpkin seed extract, thyme, and oregano in it. So my naturopath that I work with, Dr. Kim, she recommended this to me after I did a spit and a pee test, and she said I had tons and tons of candida. Now I came to her with really bad digestive issues, lots of bloating, crippling brain fog, type 2 diabetes, just a lot of issues. And she recommended this as well as I think like 5 other supplements, and it was around $700. I took this for 1 month, and let me tell you, I started all the other supplements a week before I got this because she had to order it for me, or maybe 2 weeks. And the other supplements were amazing. I felt great on them. But once I added this, I felt awful. So here are some of the things I experienced from my month on this. The first week I had intense sugar cravings. I guess my yeast, as it was dying, was very hungry. So I had really intense sugar cravings, and of course you can't really eat sugar on a candida cleanse because you're trying to get rid of the yeast, not feed it. I also had some dementia. I don't know how, but the gut-brain connection is strong, like crippling dementia in a way that I've never experienced before, where I would lose time, 2 to 5 minutes. I would go to the store and leave my car door open because I had not realized that I had opened it and then not closed it. I would suddenly come to and realize I couldn't remember what I'd been doing or saying for the last 5 to 10 minutes. It was really scary. That only lasted, I would say, a week or two, and then I talked to her and she recommended some other brain support supplements, and then that got better and went away. Thank goodness, because I thought I was getting Alzheimer's and I was going crazy. So my bloating, my gut bloating, while it got better on the other supplements that she recommended to me, when I added this one, I looked like I was 6 months pregnant. It was horrific. I just felt awful. Like, this would make me nauseous. Just felt awful. Like, this was not a fun supplement to be on. Cancel all your plans and stay home. But I will say that it worked. When I came off this supplement, my brain was clear. You know how you get tired after you eat and your brain feels foggy? I don't get that anymore. I'm amazed. I thought that was just part of who I was, not that it was this yeast inside of me. Also, and this is amazing, my type 2 diabetes is gone. I can eat a whole bowl of rice and my blood sugar is not high, it's normal. It's like 90 2 hours after eating, where it used to be like 200. I can eat ice cream again. My sugars aren't high. I had no idea that candida could be linked to type 2 diabetes, or that yeast overgrowth. Maybe I just had so much, I don't really know. It's insane to think of it. So yes, if you have candida, I would really recommend this product. Really recommend it. However, just know it is not a fun experience. It is not an easy product to take. It will wreck you. You need to be safe and be aware of your surroundings and what's happening to you as you're taking this, and have other people supporting you. But yeah, you're supposed to take it for 2 months, but I only made it to 1 month before I just couldn't do it anymore. But I do think it worked, and maybe I will do the other month after I finish the GAPS diet. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and let me know if you've ever taken candikill, or if you would recommend this for your friends.